Hi, my name's Tina Cranfield. I'm 59. I've come here today to see Dr. Rado and I'm having a tummy tuck with a breast uplift. The reason I want a tummy tuck is not to make me look thin and gorgeous in a bikini or anything like that. I want to be able to enjoy my grandchildren. I want to go out and have fun. If they want to go to the swimming pool, they want me to go with them. If they want to go to the beach, they want me to go to the beach. I'd like to be able to do all these things. You walk in here and it's like walking into a first-class hotel. It's not anything like a hospital. Everybody is just so lovely and so nice, and I can't fault you all.
Tina did fantastically well. I saw her last year. She came asking for tummy tuck. We said no. She lost significant amount of weight and she's ready for the operation today. We just finished from markings and we are going to see her in theatre. This lovely patient lost over 5 stones over a period of a year. She's in her ideal weight. We're excited to help her. We are about to do a back contouring with liposuction. We are making 2 incisions for access. We just finished the breast reduction uplift and we are moving to do the tummy tuck. The patient has a massive excess after the weight loss. She's going to be hopefully really happy after the operation. We just finished the tummy tuck along with mastopexy and breast reduction. We improved the shape, removed the excess tissue, and I can't wait to show her the result tomorrow.
I'm a little bit bruised up here, but that's to be expected. But look at I can pat my tummy. I've never, ever thought this was possible. I just can't believe that it's all gone. I'm gobsmacked and over the moon.
You are so welcome. You are so welcome. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. Look at that.
Oh God, this is just me now, isn't it?
100%.
I'm not religious, but he's some kind of God. He really is, because he's given me everything that I've ever wanted and more. I feel like a miracle has happened. I feel like I've been reborn. Words can't explain what I feel like. I've got a waist. I just can't believe it. Yeah, this is me.